Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can limit the message interval for users within your Discord server channels. For example, if you'd like to allow your server and channel members to send only a specific amount of messages within a specific interval, like every 5 or 10 seconds or every minute. So it's basically a slow mode you can apply to your server channels here in Discord. So let us show you how this can be set up here on Discord on PC or laptop. So in the first step, launch Discord, of course, log into your account and access the given server. Let me go with this one here in the top left corner. After that, select one of your channels. So let me go for text channel because it fits perfectly here for sending direct messages or text messages. Click into that gear icon to edit the channel. And here inside your channel settings, head over to Overview. And here you see the channel name, the channel topic, and the aforementioned slow mode feature here. So on default it will be turned off, but you can turn it on anytime and set an interval, like for example, let's say 30 seconds. And don't forget to click into Save Changes here to save your edits. And with such a feature, guys, your server and channel members will be given the opportunity to send only one message per 30 seconds. So it avoids spamming, for example, message spamming within your server channel, which is a pretty useful feature. So let's say, for example, you have a pretty large server with a lot of members, and you would like to take control over that a little bit, so that it will be not that direct messages won't be spammed by your server members, guys. So that's basically it. Let me click into Save here, and these changes will be then applied instantaneously. So let me type in something 1, 2, 3, test, and so on and so forth. Well, I'm as you can see, as the channel admin, I'm slow mode immune, as you can see in the bottom right corner. So it doesn't apply to me. I can send as many text messages as I want. So let me give you another example, test. And as you can see, I can send as many messages as I want within that text channel because I am the server admin. So the slow mode doesn't apply to me, but it will be applied to any other of your server members unless you have them given the permission to operate as an admin. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.